Hey guys, welcome back to my trading channel. In this video, we'll take a look at Uni token, which is by UniSwap. Of course, there's a lot of news around it. The token pumped nearly 40% in the last 24 hours. And of course, you should be watching Uni because they have submitted a new proposal and that is mind blowing. And if you ask me, if that proposal get a green nod, it is going to just pump up Uni token just like crazy. So I will talk about the Uni token first, the Uniswap proposal, and why it is pumping, and why or what is the future of Uniswap moving forward, because it looks quite bright to me. So in that we will also analyze the trading chart and see where you can enter, and of course how much money can be derived when we actually hit a good bull run for the Uni token. So with that, let's kick off. Let's start the video. Let's talk about UNIfication, the latest proposal by Uniswap. So you can see here, this was the proposal by UNISwap. You can see unification, a joint proposal from UNISwap Labs and the UNISwap Foundation. Of course, I will talk about it, also talk about the chart, then we talk about the tokenomics, where we at and how much money can be derived from this token, of course, after this news and of course after the proposal passes, because this can be big. Now, if you are new here or just watching the video for the first time from me, I request you to please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon if you haven't done already. And remember, we have a dedicated Telegram community of crypto traders. And again, you can join it by clicking on the link below and, of course, join it right away. It's a private group of crypto traders, and you will get a news instantly directly on it right away. So here we are. Let's talk about the proposal first. So this was proposals, but I have summarized it in few sentences so that you will know what is going on. So this is my Telegram or Twitter handle. You can see here what is going on. So this is a proposal. So Uniswap new unification proposal that I told you is already insane and absolute banger. What is going on? The plan aims to activate the long anticipated protocol fee switch. This is the part which would allow a portion of trading fee to be diverted into unitoken burn mechanism. Now that is why the token pump, it focuses on unitoken burn mechanism, reducing overall supply and theoretically increasing Uni's value for holder. So if you're holding Uni token, well, that's a great news for you. As part of the proposal, nearly 100 million Uni tokens worth roughly $800 million, given the price at $8 average, again currently in the Uniswap treasury, would be burnt. Now this is the highlight. The token will be burnt forever, representing token that could have been burnt if the fee switch had been on since launch. So clearly, it is a burn mechanism scheduled for Uniswap. Now, the end result will be there will be shorter supply, increased demand, and overall, the price of Uni token will moon once we hit the bull season. And you can see right over here from the CMC data, it is now at $8. And when we talk about the 24-hour chart, you can see 30% up. Of course, it was 40% before, now correcting. But just look at the market cap, $5 billion only. That is very low. And we look at the supply, 1 billion unit token. Now imagine 630 million is the unit supply. And if we burn 100 million token, you will get a supply reduced by 100 million. That will be close to 530 million token. So clearly, the price has to sustain in order to maintain the market cap. And of course, whenever there's a burn mechanism, we have the token pump right away, and that is what you saw. So overall, I think Uni is turning very, very bullish in the coming months. Of course, when we see the market correcting and Bitcoin again gaining pace, crossing nearly 150k, 200k, or after the all season, this is going to move like crazy. And let me take a look at the chart to see what is going on. So right now the token is trading at around $8.7. It had its worst time right over here. It hit nearly the bottom of around $4 like this, and been trending between the ranges of $4 and $8 for quite some time. Now it made a kind of bearish head and shoulder pattern on the weekly candle, which is quite pessimistic, but this pattern is now failed because now the token has pumped. But again, we have to wait for the weekly candle to finish. Now assume that it starts scaling up further, which means it starts going up further in the momentum. The next closest resistance is $17. You can see clearly this is the baseline for it. So it has to hit this mark or surpass this mark to actually aim for new all-time high. And if the news is good about the proposal, everything went well and they started burning token, well, what will happen? Once it crosses $17, it's going to shoot for the all-time high, which was at around $45 back in 2021. Now add a mixture of bull run with the token burn mechanism with the reduction in supply, we will see uni token hitting new all-time high. That is quite possible. But right now, you can see there's a big fib retracement, which is 50 MA, this red line. So again, I won't be investing right now because right now the week is not finished. The news is new. The token may pump and dump. So again, I don't think this is the right time to buy this token. I think it can go down below $8 quite quickly. And again, we'll target $5 to $6. So below this line, below this fib retracement, you should target a buy of below $8. That is what my target will be to hold it for the long term. Again, for the short term, I don't think that you should invest right now. It is a news, it is a hype, and can fade away until or unless they begin a burn mechanism. I suggest you should keep your eye on it and again wait and watch before investing. Let the token go down a bit and then start buying it. That's my view. With that, I complete my video. If you like the video, please share it, subscribe it, and of course, join my trading community. The link is below. And let's meet tomorrow in the new video. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.